What is happening? Oh, 1 second, guys. Can you ever imagine having papad of jackfruit? This is it. 3 juices. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a huge haul for you, a food haul, one of my favorite stores, Mangalore stores. These stores are basically spread all across the country. What they do is store has products from Mangalore in Karnataka. All of you who do not know this, I am a Mangalorean. I love the food that is served there. Last time when I went to Bangalore, incidentally went through a lane which had Mangalore stores there open, so had to go and shop. I did shop. I didn't realize that I am actually buying a lot of things and it would not be possible for me to take all of this with me in the baggage via air. I had to courier it. The shops take the onus on themselves, and if you buy a lot of things from them, then they will courier it to your house, irrespective of whether that house is in the same city or it's outside. These shops also do international orders, so in case you are interested for that, description I would link the details of the shop. Where is it, how do you reach there, and the contact details and everything that I have with me. If you are a fan of Mangalore food and if you want the authentic taste of Mangalore, then you know where to go and whom to call. So on this note, let's start this huge haul that I have of Mangalore stores and the lovely products from the beautiful city of Mangaluru. So firstly, before I actually unpack and bring everything to you one by one, let me show you how this courier arrived and how many products you can spot this whole big package. The prices of the products, I'll link it down below while editing, however I find that feasible. This is how the courier arrived, and my god, this is like huge, isn't it? There are so many products in it. It is actually very heavy because of the products that are there, right? And yeah, now let's unpack. I'll try to be very quick because I don't want this video to go on forever. The first product that I have from Mangalore stores is lovely thing which I love, and I'm sure a lot of you love too, and it's the ghee, verified butter, ghee, desi ghee that we use at our homes and for most of our products, and it's absolutely so healthy, so delicious. Okay, you can see it's written in the regional language, purely authentic from Mangalore. Already eaten a lot of it, so that is why it is quite empty, that this much has already been gulped down. All of these products are available on their website or on their stores. If you call them or if you go to the website, you will get all of these products for yourselves too. And this smells so good, authentic. A lot of ghee products in the market are not original. I mean, they are mostly like dalda. So when you get original ghee, the real authentic homemade product. Next up, these ragi laddus. So these are made with ragi flour. It is eaten a lot in Karnataka, so these are made with those ragi flour. If you are on a gluten-free diet or you want to avoid rice, you can go with ragi. I have this halwa, my favorite halwas out there, banana halwa. So you can see this is made in Udupi, and you can see it's written over here, homemade Udupi banana halwa, made with pure ghee, and when you taste it, you can actually smell the divine ghee. 250 grams for 140 rupees. Do very well for 60 days. The halwa. And inside, because I've opened this, I'll show it to you from inside. Open it. There are these halwa is packed into the small square packaging. Just take it in your bags. Very delicious. Then I have with me the pickles. These pickles are different than what you get elsewhere, mostly curry based. So I got 3 pickles. One is some sweet lime pickle and 2 others. One is banana stem pickle and the other one is tender mango pickle, and the brand is Sona, and this is 500 grams for 130 rupees. This is how it is. And when you see the color of the pickle, you can actually understand the spices that must have gone in. Tasted one and it's so good. Tasted is this one, the banana stem pickle. I have this one huge packet of kori roti. So if you do not know, these are crispy rice rotis which you have and you eat these with any curry based dishes, mostly with chicken curry or pork curry also, it's fine, or egg curry. 10 packets of this. One packet is like this. Okay, so these are rotis. These are crispy rotis, so you just take them and mash them, chura chura chura, and put some curry on it, some hot gravy, and you eat it. It's like Sunday chicken curry meals are like perfect with this. A bigger packet, and it comes for 500 grams and it's for 80 rupees. So yeah, like 10 pieces, 10 packets. We eat in one half, and this one is also going to be eaten very soon. The sweet pickle is this one. Not tasted this one yet. I've only tasted the spicy ones, and those are like lovely, and I'm sure this one is going to be lovely too. So turmeric powder, this is from AVS products, and for 100 rupees it's 250 grams, and this is the turmeric powder. Everything is packaged so well, so I have to give it to the store and to the staff there who have actually packed everything, double packed it, to make sure it does not spill over, and even if it does, it just falls in this packaging and not with other products. Smell can be overpowering, and in case it's like pickles or something, if it falls, and it spoils the other products also, and the taste actually, you know, makes it very difficult for you to consume other products which might have acquired the taste of that thing which was spilled. So that is not over here because they have double packed to ensure that is not a problem. Color is different, guys. I mean, it's a little darker as compared to the turmeric that we get here, that I get here. I don't know about you, so I'm sure it's going to be better. And turmeric is a very important ingredient, right, in our Indian food, in cooking. So this has to liven up the flavor. Next up we have some masalas. So these are like a lot of masalas in this. Let me show it to you one by one. Masalas I have is neem leaf powder, natural neem leaf powder, 100 grams for 60 rupees. I don't know how important is neem. In case you didn't know, you can just Google it right now and thank me later. Multani mitti powder, and this is like godsend for your face. This one is 100 grams for 50 rupees. The ones you get in market are usually mostly mixed and adulterated, and I do not want those with a lot of chemicals. That's why I got this masala. This is also one, I think, some spice. This is for vada. I think some making for vadas. I'm not very sure exactly, but that's what this says. I think I forgot what this was for. In case you know what this is for, then write in the comment section below. More spices. This is rasam powder from SRK brand. This is the rasam powder. Color, guys, the color is like so good, right? See, actually on my hands all over. One buffet powder. So this is basically mostly used for meat dishes, and this is 80 rupees for I think 100 grams. Yeah, this is a buffet powder. So Born is actually I have used this brand before also, and they have amazing spices. So in case you want them, you can check their Instagram page. I'll link that also below. And I have some sambar powder, again very important. This is from Grahini brand. It's homemade, and this one is for 60 rupees. Sambar powder. Some chilies. These are like for all of those who know how important spicy dishes are, or how important non-veg dishes are. You know how this is a very important ingredient, a very valuable ingredient. These chilies, those chutneys, those gravies are incomplete without these. Then I have a very good find. This is the jackfruit papad, and this is 200 grams. This is it, jackfruit papad. Can you ever imagine having papad of jackfruit? And this is it. This is it. Then I have some spicy kaju, and this is 250 rupees. Now I have some juices, and check this one by one. I have some Sarasa Parilla Arka without sugar health drink concentrate from the roots of the Indian Sarasa Parilla. It's with heartburn, gastric and ulcers, and also elevates excess heat in the body. 3 to 4 tablespoons in 1 cup of milk or water twice daily, and you do not refrigerate this. And this is 230 rupees for 500 ml. I love authentic natural juices, concentrates, All of these are like so healthy and so good also. It might not be delicious, but it is very good for your body. I have banana stem squash. This is a natural remedy for kidney stones and also contains high potassium and vitamins, which is said to control hyperacidity, high blood pressure, and is a natural diuretic, and it aids in detoxification of your body, maintains overall health. This is a daily drink, 1 part of squash in 3 parts of water. 180 rupees. Basically has only rock salt, water, banana stem juice, lemon juice, an acidity regulator, herbal extract, and cardamom. This is the sugarless natural health drink. I just came back like last week, this week, so in case you are telling me, or if you would have been wondering why are you not tasting all of these, or why have you not tasted them yet, then the answer is that I didn't get enough time to taste so many products. I did taste the banana halwa and the ghee and I think the achar, the pickle, and I've already told you how my experience was. Everything and these things have just arrived yesterday via courier because I came first and the courier came later. So give me a week or two or a month or two and then I'll tell you everything. I'll tell you about everything and how my experience was. Okay. Kokum pulp. Kokum is like very important in Maharashtrian and Mangalorean cuisine for soul curry and for just having the juice regularly. Especially in summers, it keeps your body cool and it's just so good. Sugarless, so it's like really good. 750 ml for 100 rupees. Yeah, the kokum pulp, right? 3 juices, snacks, because what is life without these snacks, right? This one, I think this is made of rice flour, mirchi, some green chilies which are dried and spiced. This goes very well with your dal, rice, or just roti, or however you want to have your meal. It doesn't taste very spicy, just like salty, more of salty flavor. Chaklis, because what is life without murukku and chaklis? These are rice chaklis basically and made with palak. That is why there's spinach in it. That is why the color is green. There's potato and palak. A lot of you already must have tried these things, right? It's not new for you. Some of you, it might be new in case you have not been to that part of the country. So now you know what you get and you can order it for yourself. This is not sponsored, not paid. This is straight from some rose cookies because I love rose cookies. This is 50 rupees. There are 10 pieces inside. And this is all crushed because that's what happens in courier, and they actually told us that this will be crushed when it's couriered, but we're like, okay, fine. The taste doesn't change, right? So, chaklis and murukkus, namkeen. Okay. Every part of the country has different namkeens, you know. So this is from Mangalore. Save and some bundis and something. Mostly made with besan, this gram flour, and a couple of other things, and some peanuts also inside. So some dry prawns chutney. This is the one. It has dry coconut, dry prawns, red chili, garlic, tamarind, and salt. 100 grams for 190 rupees. Made from the brand is Fish Factory. In case you want to go and check that out. This is the dry prawns chutney. I really love dry prawns chutney with dal rice, dal sambar, or the usual lunch and dinner meals. This goes very well with it. In case you don't want to have the pickle, you can go with some prawns chutney. In case you prefer having prawns, if you like prawns. This is the final product that I have. And what is this? I told you that they have made sure that it's double wrapped. So the first wrapping is bubble wrap that you can see. Again, inside there is another package. Okay, so there is this one bubble wrap, then there is this packet, and then inside is the product. Is I think some chutney that I ordered, some chutney, I think chili or something, some chutney. That's all that we had. I think we had a lot of stuff, right? You like this? I sure did, because now the next thing, tomorrow is Sunday and I'm going to use a lot of these things to make some food, and definitely I'm going to use this multani mitti tomorrow. And ghee though I've already used. The spices and all of those are going to be used tomorrow for some preparations. And this chakli and all, I'll keep eating it every now and then. Yes, I think that's all that we had. I'm so excited to try out these juices because in summers you just want to have juices, right? You cannot have a lot of tea and coffee, even though I want to. So these are going to be my go-to drink for the next 2 to 3 months until summer fades away. Right? Yes, that's all that I had in this video. How was this video? How was this haul? Have you ever been to Mangalore stores? If you haven't been to any Mangalore stores yet, then find out one near you and go there and let me know how your experience was, and has this excited you or made you curious and even you want to visit one and try them out. Let me know in the comment section below what has been your reaction, what has been your experience watching this video. Say bye bye, because we are meeting again in the next video. Till then, you know what to do. You need to like, comment, subscribe, share, so that my videos go to a lot more of you and we keep growing, and I keep bringing to you a lot more hauls and a lot more amazing brands, places, experiences, and just stories.